Hi, Mrs. Matlock. I'm going to show you how I took this graph and how I made all the equations for my movement video. The x-axis is supposed to represent time in seconds, and the y-axis is supposed to represent ball height in feet from the ground. So the first thing I did was start out with the original domain for this constant right here. I put all the constants down first, and then in between those, I put down the little up and downs from the passes I was making and when they bounced on and off the wall in the video. So the first one was this one right here. I had a -4 slope, -4 slope right here, and then it bounces up. The bounce pass was really quick, so I had to make the slope really, really small and very, very steep so I could have that quick movement. It was a quick bounce pass, quick bounce pass, quick bounce pass, quick bounce pass, and in between were all of the constants when I had the ball in my hands or when I was passing the ball for the first time. The domain I just put down, it was only one point, and I only had to do it like for a couple seconds. I did. It's greater than 9, but it's less than 10. It was right in the middle. And then I put the constant down. The constant didn't last very long right here. And then I copied this equation and then put it here, but I changed the point and I changed the domain. Then I did the same thing here, but changed the point domain. Then I had a constant. I copied this constant, put it here, but then changed the domain. Then I did the same thing here, put the down slope, put the up slope, put a constant, then I copied it, changed the points, changed the domain. Then I put another constant. It's a very long constant that time. Then I put another one down, and then another one up, and then a very short constant at the end. Now, the constants represent when I was holding the ball or when I was passing to the brick wall by force, and it had that constant motion of staying like around 4 feet above the ground. These short little dip downs and dip ups is when the ball bounces off the wall, bounces to the ground, and then bounces back to my hands. Then I had the ball for a little while when I passed it, then it went down, off the wall, down to the ground, bounced back up, had it in my hands for a while, passed it, down, up, passed it, down, up, held it in my hands, passed it, down, up, held it in my hands.